In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the main table in Monday.com so you can organize your projects, manage tasks, and keep your team aligned without confusion. The main table is the core view inside any Monday.com board, and once you understand how it works, everything else becomes much easier. Whether you're managing personal tasks or large team projects, this is where the real work happens. Make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we need to open your board in the main table view. Start by going to the left sidebar inside Monday.com. This is where all your workspaces and boards are listed. Find the board you want to work on and click on it. Once the board opens, look at the top area where you'll see different view tabs. These might include things like Main Table, Timeline, Kanban, Calendar, and more. Make sure that Main Table is selected. If it's not, simply click on Main Table to switch to it. This view displays your project information in a structured table format with groups, items, and columns. Think of it like a powerful, interactive spreadsheet designed specifically for project management. This is where you'll add tasks, organize them, and track progress. Now, let's talk about organizing your work using groups. Groups help you separate and categorize tasks within your board. For example, you might want groups called To Do, In Progress, and Completed. To add a group, scroll all the way to the bottom of your table. You'll see an option that says Plus Add Group. Click on that button. A new group will instantly appear. You can then click on the group name to rename it to whatever fits your workflow. Groups are extremely useful because they allow you to visually separate different stages of a project or different types of work. You can also drag and drop items between groups as tasks move forward. This makes it easy to track progress without needing complicated systems. If you manage multiple phases of a project, consider creating a group for each phase. Keeping your board structured with clear group names will make collaboration much smoother. Next, let's add items, which are essentially your tasks. Inside any group, you'll see a line at the bottom that says Plus Add Item. Click there to create a new item. Once you click it, you can immediately start typing the name of your task, deliverable, or project step. For example, you might type Design Homepage, Create Marketing Plan, or Review Client Feedback. Press Enter to save the item. Each item lives inside a group and can contain additional details using columns, such as status, due date, assignee, priority, and more. The main table allows you to customize these columns so you can track exactly what matters to your workflow. To add more items, simply keep clicking Plus Add Item under the group where you want the task to live. You can also duplicate items, move them between groups, or reorder them by dragging and dropping. This flexibility is what makes the main table such a powerful central hub for managing work. As you continue building your board, remember that the main table is your foundation. Groups organize stages or categories, and items represent the actionable tasks inside those groups. Keeping everything clearly labeled and structured will help you and your team stay productive and avoid confusion. And that's how you use the main table in Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.